How to get money in Cash App fast. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to get money in Cash App fast. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the Cash App mobile application, just as you can see. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, go to the bottom menu and tap on this option at the bottom left corner of the screen, where the Cash App balance or bank icon appears. Once you tap on it, you will land on the Cash App Money section. On this page, various options and sections are related to money. From them, make sure you tap on this one here named Add Money. Once you tap on it, a menu pops up from the bottom of the screen. The menu shows amounts of money that you can tap on. If the amount you want to add does not appear here, then proceed and tap on the three dots here. Once you do that, proceed and enter the amount here. After that, tap on Add. The money will then be added to your Cash App balance. If you have not added your debit card to your Cash App account, then you will see a page similar to this one where you are supposed to fill in your card information. Make sure you enter this information correctly, and then proceed and tap here, Link Card. The card will then be linked to your Cash App account. You can then proceed and move the money to your Cash App account. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to get money in Cash App fast.